there's not much to do when all I can.
This morning, I woke up craving for white porridge with bread and egg. Hi guys, welcome. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, I placed the corn dough in water. After that, I went out to buy my bread and egg. Then I came back home, started to prepare everything. When the corn was dissolved with the water, placed it on the fire, mixed it up, added a little bit of salt, continued stirring until it was cooked, then added water alongside to make it a little bit light. Then I did add my sugar. It looks a lot, but it wasn't that much because the porridge was plenty. Then I added my milk. After that, I placed it aside. Then I started to chop my vegetables to add to my egg. I really like this way of making egg. I'll chop some carrots, chop some green pepper as well to add. I really don't like onions in my egg. I really prefer it this way. You try it and you'd know. It tastes so nice and it has a very nice aroma to it. After adding, I cracked one egg and I saw it wasn't enough, so I added a second one. Then added my salt to taste, whisked everything together. Then I sauteed my pan, fried the egg. I did toast my bread as well. I was trying to do some chef things here, but it didn't work. Yeah. After the bread and egg was done, I went ahead to dish out some of the porridge. This is the full meal. But before that, I went ahead to drink my Herbalife natural tea. I take about a half of teaspoon. So in between, I ate an orange, one to be precise. If you haven't noticed from the title of this video, this is what I eat in a day. So in the afternoon, I went ahead to reheat this yam that I had. Then I dished it out from the bowl. After that, I went to heat my stew. It's actually a garden egg stew, so this is it. So I finished everything, the exception of one yam. I ate it with among thousand. In the evening, I wasn't hungry, but I wanted something in my tummy, so I made myself a tea that is Lipton. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.